Hi there. So how to install Blue Letter Bible app. So this is the app to in-depth Bible study. So you can just dive deep with over 30 Bible versions, audio Bibles, text and audio commentaries, Hebrew, Greek lexicon, concordances, dictionaries, advanced word searches, and more. So yep, that's just what you can do with this app. You can just have some customized Bible reader, personalized Bible study, and all of that. So this is kind of like advanced app. This is not like for beginners. This is if you just wanna compare different versions. If you wanna engage in Bible studies, where step menu, like all of things like that. That's when you need this app, and then you can allow notifications. And then yeah, this is the idea. You can select manage Bible options. You can select those, and then so yep, that's basically the idea. Then you can just see the details, and then you can just go and search. So yep, something like that.